In this morning's Money Watch, the U.S. economy is expected to pick up speed after Delta-driven downturn.
That's right, and another 330,000 Americans likely filed new claims last week for unemployment. Jane King is live in New York following these stories.
Yes, good morning. So that would be a modest decline compared to the previous week if the number comes in 330,000, which is what we expect. We do think companies started to bring on some workers as they've been facing their job vacancies as well. Now, economists chalked up last week's bigger than expected gain to a delayed filing from Hurricane Ida. Just offices were closed, people weren't able to get out. So it seemed to be they all kind of got together and filed for unemployment in the same week, and that drove that number up higher. But we do expect it to normalize with these numbers today. Well, economists cut third quarter growth estimates because of the COVID surge and supply constraints, but they do expect the recovery to happen through the rest of this year. So the Delta variant of COVID-19 did temper economic growth in the late summer. One wild card, though, supply constraints, product worker shortages, is still kind of difficult to assess exactly what kind of impact that will have on the economy. And U.S. rents are increasing at shocking rates of more than 10% in some cities in Florida, Georgia, and Washington. Rents rose 25% or more. Now, since the start of the pandemic, the median rent for a two-bedroom apartment in the U.S. soared 13% to just over $1,600, according to Zumper. Well, the S&P 500 and the Dow up yesterday. Tech stocks still struggling, though, so we did see the NASDAQ down. Energy stocks did well. This morning looks like we'll open higher. Live from the NASDAQ market side, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
Well, definitely a lot to keep track of. Jane, we'll check back with you tomorrow. Thanks.